Assalamu alaikum. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up your Zoll AED Plus semi-automatic machine. When you unwrap the package you'll have something that looks fairly similar to this. In order to set up the device you'll obviously need the device itself, the pads, the battery packs which I have already installed, as well as a screwdriver. In terms of installing the device, the first thing I would recommend is that you put the batteries in first. To do so, flip the machine over, and this is the battery pack. In order to install the batteries, simply you have to open up these levers here, so that's why you need the screwdriver. So just insert slowly, push and up, and similarly on this side, push and up. Once you've raised the tabs, you can then insert the screwdriver underneath just here and simply lift. And that raises the battery pack. As you can see, I've already installed the batteries. This takes lithium 123 batteries, requires 10 of them in order for the device to work, and these should come in your package. Once you've placed the batteries, simply close the lid. And we're done. Then flip the machine back over. Next, you'll need to insert the pads. In order to do so, simply lift at the front of the device and the lid will come off. As you can see, I've already inserted our pads because this is a functioning device. Open the pads pack. If we have a look at the pads in more detail, you can see that there is an extra pack that comes with it. This includes various items such as a pair of scissors, face mask and cleaning kit in case you need to shave them or do other things in order to make the pads usable. The pads themselves are sealed and come with a cable that, as you can see, inserts into the machine. I have separated this from the pads packet itself purely and simply because it makes it easier to place into the device. To put the pads in, you simply connect up the cable, slide it into place, and as I said, I found it easier to keep this towards the back, where's the deeper recess of the lid. Important thing to note with the lid, this can be used in a recess situation to support somebody and turn them over in terms of either opening the airway or to put them into a recovery position. Once the pads are in, this light here will change from red to green, and that will mean that the pads are usable. You will need to press the on-off button in order to do so. As you can see, I've already placed the stickers on ours that allow this to be visible. Finally, when you're replacing the lid, it does take a little bit of effort because of the extra mass, but also make sure you feed this tab through. This is for two reasons. It allows it easier to open the device, but also it displays the date of the pads, so it's much easier to check when the pads need renewing. These do have a shelf life of 5 years, similarly so does the battery pack, at which time it is sensible to change both at the same time, and therefore making sure that you've got a safe and active device at all times. In order to check whether the device is functioning, this green tick should always be visible. That is how you set up the Zoll AED Plus semi-automatic machine. I hope you found this video useful.